What's up everybody, this is Teacher Ivan from NextGen Academy. Our goal in this channel is to help you achieve your highest potential and to help you understand subjects in the easiest and the most efficient way. If you'd like to get more tips and tricks on how to achieve A star in your IGCSE, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Lastly, if you need any help in your studies, you can always head on to our website, link in the below, or our Instagram, drop us a DM and we'll be able to help you. Enjoy this video and I wish you all the best. All right. Okay, welcome back, my NextGen family. Today we are going to go through this paper, which is May-June 2024, paper 1-2. Okay, I won't go through this instructions. Let's jump straight to question number 1. Okay, question number 1, this has come up many times already. Okay, the diagram shows the graph of y equals to a sine x, a sine bx plus c, negative 360 to 360, where a, b and c are constant. Find the value of A, B, and C. All right. We need to find the amplitude. Okay, this is A, amplitude. B is related to your period. C is your vertical translation. Okay, vertical translation. First thing that I want y'all do when you see this type of question, find the middle line and draw a line. Okay, find the middle line and then draw a line, a horizontal line across. In this case, will be this one, -4. Okay, y equals -4. Okay, how do I know? You see lah. Okay, from here, -1 to 7. Where is the middle? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you draw this already, then it's easy for you to find your A, B, and C. Okay, let's start with A. A is your amplitude. Definition of amplitude means your middle to your highest or your lowest point. Okay, this is A. A is how much? From -1 to -4, you get 3. Okay, no calculation needed to show. In these 3 marks, you all can just write the answer also. Okay, second one. How do you find the second one? Second one is period. What is the definition for period? You will want to find one cycle of sine graph. Okay, we can take from here to here. Okay, this is one whole cycle, right? So what is the value of the period first? We measure this part here. This is from -240 to 240. Okay, total, you will get period 240 plus 240, which is equals to 480. Okay, what is the formula for period? Period for sine graph is 360 degrees over B. So B is equals to 360 over period. Period is equals to 480. Therefore, your B is equals to 2 over 3. Okay, then the last one. C is your vertical translation. Vertical translation, you measure where did the middle line shift to. Originally, is y equals to 0. Now, it's shifted down by -4. So C is equals to -4. Okay, number 1. All good? Can you just type 1 in the chat? Anything to clarify over here? Okay, I think easy. If you have done enough past year paper, you hope that this type of questions come out. I think this one is quite easy for the trigo graph. Okay, second one. Given that log 3r plus 2 log 9s equals to 8, find the value of rs. Or see, you forgot to add negative sign. Oh, okay, then wrong already. Okay, you have to put -4. Okay, find the value of rs. So to find value of rs, number 1, you have to analyze the log equation here first. One is log 3, one is log 9. So you can't join together. The only way you can do it, you join together is you do change of base. Okay, which base should I change to? Normally, I like to change from the bigger one to the smaller one. Okay, that means 9, we change to 3 lah. Okay, so I will change this 2 log 9s first. Let's see how do I change it to log base 3. 2 log 9s, I can write it as 2 log 3s over log 3 9. All right, and then 2 log 3s over log 3 squared. Okay, you don't have to write until so detailed. As long as you got your main point here. 2 log 3. This one, you cancel. Log 3 is equals to 1. So this will just become log 3s. Now let's rewrite it again, the entire thing. Log 3r plus log 3s is equals to 8. Log 3rs is equals to 8. We're going to change from log form to index form. This is base power equals whatever. So here we can write it as 3 to the power of 8 equals to rs. 3 power 8, calculate it, you'll get 6561. 3-mark question. Okay, number 2, you got a good type 2. Okay, any question, just quickly type it down so I can explain to you all. Okay, 2. Normally, all these fun questions, you all shouldn't get it wrong. Just normally, I would say is a careless mistake. Okay, let's go number 3. Given that y equals to tangent bracket x over 2, find the exact value of dy over dx when x equals to pi over 3. Okay, how do we find dy over dx for tangent x over 2 first? Okay, to understand this, we have to know that tangent, let's say if I got a coefficient beside the x here. Okay, tangent will become secant. Then you have to differentiate the inside your ax. You get a, so secant square. Inside here still remain as ax. Okay, don't change it to x. Okay, or don't go change it to, you differentiate it. It's we are applying chain rule. Okay, in short, actually you don't have to understand this. So like the behind that, if you really don't know, you just remember it's chain rule. Differentiate inside, you multiply, then you differentiate outside. Tangent will become secant square. So y equals to tangent x over 2 will become dy over dx equals to 1 over 2 secant square x over 2. Then they want you to find when x equals to pi over 3. So when x equals to pi over 3, this will be secant square pi over 3 over 2. Okay, what's pi over 3 over 2? Secant square, you cannot solve it in terms of secant square. You got to change it to cos. So this will become 1 over cos square pi over 6. Okay, how to write cos square pi over 6? Remember, cos square pi over 6, you're not going to type in the calculator cos square pi over 6. You have to do cos pi over 6, then you square it. Okay, what is cos pi over 6 first? We can do it at the side here. Cos pi over 6. You can type this and change this to radian mode. You get sec 3 over 2. So cos, how you're going to type in calculator is like that. Cos pi over 6, you square it. Okay, which is equivalent to cos square pi over 6. And here you get 3 over 4. Your sec 3 over 2 square is 3 over 4. 1 over 3 over 4. Oops, I forgot the 1 over 2. So here got 2. And here will become a 4 over 6, which is equals to 2 over 3. All right, 3, 4 marks. If you are good. 3, can you all write 3? Yeah, all good. Yeah, just use calculator. Even if they ask you find exact value, yeah, your calculator, but you all must be using this new calculator. Okay, the older calculator, they will show you decimal place. Okay, let's go next one. Question 4. Yeah. A team of 8 people is to be formed from 6 teachers, 5 doctors, and 4 police officers. Find the number of teams that can be formed. Okay, we first have to understand whether, or we have to define whether it's a permutation or combination. Let's answer this question first. Does order matter? Okay, when you do this question. Okay, no means combination. So here, number of teams that can be formed, 8 people. These are no other restriction. So I just need to find the total first, which is 6 plus 5 plus 4 equals to 15. Then 15C8. Here you get 6435. The second one, find the number of teams that can be formed without any teachers. Okay, without any teachers means I'm going to exclude the 6 teachers. Exclude the 6 teachers means 15 minus 6, you've got 9 only. So 9C8, you've got 9 ways to select them. Okay, question C. Find the number of teams that can be formed with the same numbers of doctors as teachers. So we define this first. How many teachers, how many doctors, and how many police officers that we want? So I just put here, teacher, doctor, police officer. Okay, how many can we select? So I can put 2 teachers, 2 doctors, 4 police officers. I can put 3 teachers, 3 doctors, 2 police officers. I need to always fill up until 8 people. Okay, then I can put 4, 4, 0. Any other ways? Okay, no more ways already. Let's do the calculation for all 3 of these. So I'm going to do teachers. Originally, I have 6 teachers. So 6C2, then 6C3, here's 6C4. Okay, you multiply. Doctors, I've got 5. So 5C2, 5C3, 5C4. Police, I've got 4 initially. 4C4, 4C2, 4C0. Okay, 4C4 and 4C0 actually, if you know the actual value, it's just 1. You want to write it down, or the one also can. You go calculate individually for all of it. The first one, you will get 150. Second one, you get 1,200. Third one, you get 75. You add it all up together. 150 plus 1,002 plus 75, and you'll get 1,425. All right. Okay, number 4. If you all are good, please type 4 in the chat. Okay, all full marks until here? Minus 1 mark. Okay. Okay, full marks. All right, I think still quite easy. Let's move on to question 5. Okay, do not use a calculator in this question, means you need to show your working. So in this question, all lengths are in cm. Diagram shows the trapezium ABCD. Length of ABC, BC, and CD is given over here. The line BC is perpendicular to the line AB and CD. Find the perimeter of the trapezium, giving our answer in its simplest form. All right, let's see what do we have here. We have here, here, here. The only thing that I need to find is this part here. Okay, so how to find this part? We can separate it into like this. Okay, we can use a right angle triangle. Let's see what other info we have. Okay, let's call this bottom part M. Okay, so I want to find what is DM first. DM. I draw out this triangle here. ADM. Okay, the bottom, let's find what is DM first. DM is 9, sub 7 minus 9 minus 8 sub 7 minus 7. We're going to calculate this. 9 minus 8 sub 7 minus 9 plus 7 minus 2. ADM, add math. Okay, then we find this already. So this will be sub 7 minus 2. Okay, I know that here is sub 7 plus 2. So this is a right angle triangle, I can use our good friend, Mr. Pythagoras. So we're going to use AD square is equals to sub 7 plus 2 square plus sub 7 minus 2 bracket square. Okay, going to solve for this here. We will get 7 plus 4 sub 7 plus 4 plus 7 minus 4 sub 7 plus 4. Okay. Wait, did I do something wrong here? Let me check the value. Okay, 11. Okay, let's group up the values. 11, 7 plus 7 plus 4. Okay. Hold on a minute. 2AB. Okay. Then 4 and 4. Okay, 4 sub 7 minus 4 sub 7, this one to minus off. So 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4, we'll get here 22. Okay, then AD is equals to cert 22. So this part cert 22. Add it all up together, perimeter, this one because we are using without calculator, okay, without means you are not gonna find it in terms of decimal place. You're gonna leave it in the exact value when you see the word without calculator. So perimeter is equals to cert 22 plus 9 cert 7 minus 9 plus cert 7 plus 2, then plus the top part 8 cert 7 minus 7. Okay, all the ones that are the same terms, we can add it up together. 9 cert 7, cert 7, 8 cert 7, then minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. We will get 18 cert 7 plus cert 22 minus 14. Okay, the next one. Find the area of the trapezium, giving your answer in the form P cert 7 plus Q, where P and Q are rational numbers. So area of trapezium, we'll use the formula of 1 over 2 A plus B times height. Let's just substitute all the values in. 1 over 2, 8 cert 7 minus 7 plus 9 cert 7 minus 9. And here cert 7 plus 2, which is your height. Okay, let's simplify the brackets. Here we will get 17 cert 7 minus 16. Cert 7 plus 2. Do a cross multiply. 1 over 2. 119 plus 34. Cert 7 minus 16. Cert 7 minus 32. 1 over 2. 119 plus. Actually, we can just add it up already. 119 minus 32. We'll get 87. And here we will get 18 cert 7. Okay, write it in the form that they want. Try even the order of it. Try your best to follow. So they say 9 cert 7 plus 87 over 2. Okay, the next one. Find cotangent DBC, giving our answer in the form R cert 7 plus 6 plus S, where R and S are simplified rational numbers. Okay, let's see. DBC, where is DBC? Okay, can I use this big triangle? DBC, do we have enough information? We've got here, we've got here. This is a right angle triangle. Can. Okay, so let's draw this triangle, then we solve using this right angle triangle here. DBC. Okay, we've got here, which is cert 7 plus 2, 9 cert 7 minus 9. And we want to find the angle over here. All right, okay, so cotangent, I can use tangent, then I inverse it. So let's find what is tangent DBC first. This will be opposite, adjacent. So tangent DBC is equals to 9 cert 7 minus 9 over cert 7 plus 2. Cotangent, you just inverse the entire thing. Cert 7 plus 2 over 9 cert 7 minus 9. Okay, over here, there are a few ways you can do it. You can factorize the bottom first, the 9, or if you want to rationalize the entire thing immediately, also can. Okay, let's just rationalize it. Bottom, we multiply by the conjugate cert, which means I multiply by 9 cert 7 plus 9. This one, 9 cert 7 plus 9. Okay, on the top, we will get here 9 times 7, 63 plus 9 sub 7 plus 18 sub 7 plus 18 over, at the bottom, we are going to get a square minus b square. 9 sub 7 square minus 9 square. Okay, just use your calculator over here. You will get 486. And then we add it up, 27 sub 7 plus 81 over 486. Okay, they want it in that form. So you do 27 over 486, which you get sub 7, or you can write 1 over 18 sub 7, or sub 7 over 18 plus 1 over 6. Okay. All right, if you all are good, please type 5. If your answer is 3 over 18, cannot, wrong. 3 over 18 is not the simplest form. Okay, 3 over 18 is not the simplest form. You gotta just use your calculator, double check. Okay, question B. Question B is here. Final answer is 9 sub 7 plus 87 over 2. Okay, anything else? What can do? All right. Okay, question 6. Just now someone asked question 6, question 6C. Okay, question 6C looks complicated, but it's also going back to the basic formulas. Okay, this is on circular measure. So circular measure, you need to know your degree, radian. Actually, everything is in radian. So unless they give you in degree, but normally they don't really give in degree. The question itself will give straight in radian already. So the few formulas you all need to memorize is S equals to R theta, then half R square theta. Okay, this is your arc. This is your sector. Then you've got one more, which is your area of the triangle. 1 over 2 R square sine theta. This is from your mathematics. Okay, anything else? Yes, and then sine rule, cos rule. Okay, sine and cos rule for this chapter. And sometimes maybe trigo also. All right. Okay, they give you all this information. They say DOC is theta radius 5, AOD equals to COB, which is equals to 0.5. Let's label all of these down first. We've got here 0.5, here also 0.5. Radius is 5. It means all of these also 5. Okay, the length of the minor arc is equals to 3.75. This part here is equals to 3.75. Okay, show that theta is equals to 0.75. Okay, one mark question only. So we can use the formula of S equals to R theta. S is 3.75 for the CD. R is 5. Theta, I don't know. Okay, so theta 3.75 divided by 5 is equals to 0.75. Okay, the next one, let's label this first, 0.75. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Shaded region got here, here, and these two. Okay. Angle. Okay, what can I use over here? You can either use cos rule, or if you want to use sine rule, also can. Okay, but for me, I'm going to be showing the working based on cos rule. You need to find AB and CD first. Okay, I'm going to find AB first. I need to find the angle of AOB. Okay, angle AOB, which is 0.5 plus 0.75 plus 0.5, which will get 1.75. So I'm going to use cos rule. Cos rule, which is equals to A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, we have to memorize how to do this working. Do I need to show theta? No, don't need. Don't need. In the mark scheme say don't need. I just write down lah. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, I'll draw it out for y'all so that y'all can see clearly. First triangle that I'll be using is AOB. AOB, I have here 5, 5, and here is 1.75. I want to find what is AB. So here become AB square equals to 5 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 5 times 5 cos 1.75. Okay, calculate this, you get 58.91. AB, you square root this, you get 7.68. Okay, the other triangle is ODC. Here is 5, 5, 0.75. The steps that we're going to be doing is all exactly the same except the angle. So here will be CD square equals to 5 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 5 times 5 cos 0.75. Okay, close the bracket. You'll get 13.416 and CD is equals to 3.66. Okay, your total perimeter, you add it all up together. Wait, got one more. Your AD and BC. These two parts here is arc. Okay, so here, see this part here. This one is arc. 0.55. Okay, you got two of these. So here will become R theta times 2. Okay, this is your AD. Let's count one at a time first. 5 times 0.5. 2.5. Okay, total perimeter, you add it all up, 7.68 plus 3.66 plus 2 times 2.5, we will get 16.3. Yeah, so if you use sine rule, you get the same answer, also acceptable. You can use the working also. The working is a bit different, but if you get the same answer here, 16.3, it is acceptable. Okay, let's go to question C. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, let's observe here. What is shaded region? There are few methods that you can do over here. Okay, according to the mark scheme, you can use 3 different methods. Okay, I'll only show you one of it, which I prefer to do. I think this will be the shortest one. Okay, maybe you all type in the chat first. What method do you all use? What do you all use to find the area over here? Minus then plus. Minus what? Minus what then plus what? Okay, find area of trapezium first. Okay, and then area of 2 remaining segment. Okay, can also. Okay, but I didn't do that. Okay, what I did over here, I'll just explain my method. I'm gonna find 2 segments and minus each other off. Okay, what is a segment? Segment is this part here. Okay, this part here. So I'm gonna take this segment ABCD minus segment CD. Okay, OAB sector minus OAB triangle. ODC sector. Okay, also can. Okay, y'all see whether your final answer same as mine. So I draw it out for y'all. Okay, do y'all know what is the formula of segment? There's actually a shortcut formula for it. A segment is this part here. This part. I want you to write this down. Area of segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Sector is half r square theta. Triangle is half r square sine theta. Okay, this is your theta, and here is your r and r. Okay, because it's half AB sine C. So the AB normally will be your 2 radius. Then over here, we can simplify this to half r square theta minus sine theta. Okay, if you see in your textbook, one small example Actually, they got teach this. Just one example only, I remember. Okay, so you can use or you can remember this formula also. Area of segment is half r square bracket theta minus sine theta. All of it will be in terms of radian mode. So I'm going to take this big triangle first. This big segment. Okay, like this. This one will be AB. The theta is 1.7555. Okay, so I'm going to calculate based on this. My segment over here. This big one, I call it big, is equals to half 5 square theta, which is 1.75 minus sine 1.75. You go and calculate this. You will get 9.5752. Okay, the next one, we use a smaller segment. This is based on ODC. Here is 0.75, here 5. Okay, area of this segment, the smaller one, I'm going to use half 5 square, 0.75 minus sine 0.75, which will get 0.8545. Okay, so area of the shaded, you're going to take the big one minus the small one, which is 9.5752 minus 0.8545. Final answer, 8.72. Okay, do you all get this answer also? I think some of you use different method. All right, so okay, if you all can do this, can you just type 6 in the chat? Okay, no issue? All right, okay, we take a short break first. We'll continue the second part after the break. Okay, question 7 onwards, and see you all after the break.